Hello, everyone. Thank you, President Kilbridge, Mrs. Toronto, and Kendra Astomborski for inviting me to speak with you all tonight. My name is Brianna Wagner, class of 2017, and I had the privilege of attending Holy Names from 7th grade through 12th grade. Mrs. Toronto was actually my 8th grade math teacher. So many of you are here tonight as parents to decide whether to send your daughters to Holy Names. Rather than tell you why I initially chose Holy Names, I want to tell you why I'm grateful for that decision. After I graduated from Holy Names, I attended Fordham University in the Bronx, where I studied political science and women, gender, and sexuality studies. And like many college freshmen, it was my first time living away from home. However, the transition was very easy for me, and I credit a lot of that to Holy Names. An all-girls education coupled with the amazing college counseling program here, it instills a confidence and independence and an academic readiness that you really just can't replicate elsewhere. After I graduated from Fordham, I attended Albany Law School, where I served as co-chair of the Women's Law Caucus, sat on the Kate Stoneman Committee, and served as an ad hoc member of the Gender Fairness Committee of the 3rd Judicial District. I'm now a lawyer and lobbyist in Albany practicing education law. Holy Names, as President Kilbridge said earlier, it gives you more than just an education, it gives you a foundation. I was taught to communicate effectively, speak and carry myself with confidence, and how to develop a professional reputation and network that I am proud of. Holy Names teaches its students to go beyond the bare minimum, have intellectual curiosity, and value collaboration. And those are lessons that have shaped both my professional and personal life. I still wear my Holy Names ring, and because every girl receives the same ring, it is recognized by fellow alumni wherever I go, whether I'm at a work event, sitting in a waiting room, or at a coffee shop. Other alumni will approach me with a very excited, "Did you go to Holy Names?" I've made countless connections from wearing my ring, and I think that's a testament to the kind of experience and sense of community that Holy Names offers. The highlight, though, of my Holy Names experience was running cross country and track throughout my 6 years here for Coach Cherubino, who unfortunately passed away last fall. And as you toured the school tonight, you might have noticed the Athletic Hall of Fame right out here, which is named after him. And while I kept in touch with many of my former teammates, I was able to reconnect with others who I had lost touch with after his passing. And it was really incredible. We just picked up right where we left off, and it sounds cliche, but those girls are like my sisters. No matter how much time passes, we're always there for one another, cheering each other on in our endeavors. A few weeks ago, Holy Names hosted a Memorial 5K in honor of Cherubino, and I am grateful to have sat on the planning committee and have played a role in honoring the man that was really so integral into shaping me into the person I am today. I was also able to substitute coach for the cross-country girls for several practices back in August and volunteer at their first home meet. And it's been so rewarding to reconnect with Holy Names and get to know some of the current students here and just be able to give back to this community. And I'm not the only one. As it was mentioned, it's more common than not for alumni to come back and visit their former teachers and friends after graduation and to stay involved with the school. The alumni network at Holy Names is strong and active, and it will carry with you long after graduation. So thank you again for having me tonight. And to the parents here, I hope you catch a glimpse of what makes Holy Names so special. It's a place where young women are empowered to reach their potential and become leaders. And I'm proud to be a part of this community, and I hope that one day you will be too.